Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. Never mind my hair, I got hair Botox done. So if you would like to see a review on this product, please like this video and comment down below. Today we are going to be using this new palette from Essence. It's called the Ola Rio. Just look at all these beautiful vibrant colors. First of all, we're going to go in with this eyeshadow primer from Essence. It's a 2-in-1 long-lasting and brightening flawless finish. I'm using this flat brush also from Essence. Using this brush, I'm packing on product and spreading it out evenly throughout my whole eyelid, making sure that there's a equal thickness all over it. I would then go in with my finger, patting the product and just making sure I spread it even further. Then going in with the bottom left side color. It's like a peachy, soft peach color, and I'm using my blending brush from Essence as well. I'm really sweeping the product into the crease of my eye, blending it all over, making sure the product is distributed. You can see I'm dipping my brush back into the product the whole time, blending and picking up more product, blending and really packing on. And look at the slow motion of this. I'm really making big windscreen wipe motions. I'm also bringing the product up a bit higher towards my brow bone. Other beauty gurus do like to do the one eye off camera, but I like switching between both eyes, making sure that the look is equal on both eyes. That's why I'm going in with left side, right side, so please bear with me in this video. Next I'm going in with this flat brush, and I'm just going into the shade above that, which is the white bone color. And this is really such an awesome shade. It's so pigmented. I mean, just look at this. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but I was really satisfied with this color. I'm just going in with this peachy color again, just blending out and softening the edge of this product to make sure everything is blended and looks flawless. Going into the soft gold color, I'm going to use the same brush, the blending brush, and just blend this product into the crease of my eye, really focusing it on distributing this product all over the lid, the upper part of the lid as well as in the crease of my eye, and blending it upwards towards the brow bone. Using this soft angled brush, I'm going into the color next to the gold. It's a bronze color, and I'm really focusing that on the crease of the eye, blending it out and making sure the product is distributed all over. I'm really going back into the product and packing it on, go back in, packing it on and blending out.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Going back in with this fluffy brush, I'm blending everything together, making sure the colors melt and there's no harsh lines. Now for the fun part, using another clean, flat brush, I'm just going into the dark shade, this maroon color. It's a matte color, and I'm going to use it and pack it on the outer V of my eye, starting in the crease and then just moving down towards the lid in a V shape back into the inner part of my eye. I don't know if it's if you can understand, but if you watch the video you will be able to see what I mean. Again, layering the product, going back into the product and putting it on the lid, really packing it on to make sure that the color really intensifies. This color didn't intensify as I'd wish, and it looked a bit more brown on my eye instead of the maroon like it's shown in the palette. So it really washed down a bit, and I don't know, it didn't let the look I was going for. My eyes didn't really pop the way I wish it would. And the fallout of this product, it's ridiculous. Rather do your foundation after you do your eyes if you want to use this palette and these colors.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
After focusing on the outer V, I'm just adding the product a little bit more into the crease of the eye. Then going in with this pencil brush from Essence, I'm going into this darker copper color on the right top side of this palette, and I'm really working the product into the same areas as before. Just packing on the product and blending it out. The pencil brush really makes the product be more precise and the colors pop a bit more because the color is supposed to be more intensified. I really had to go back into the product and packing it on the same routine as before to get the intensity that I wanted. And I was actually a bit disappointed in especially the darker colors of this palette. Going back into the same fluffy blending brush as before, again just softening all the lines and making sure all the product is blended thoroughly. Not being happy with the outcome, I went in with this brush again, the angled brush, to intensify the same colors. And this brush really packs on a bit more product, and it's really a very nice brush to add intensity and depth to your look. Using this flat brush from before, I'm going into the light champagne color and I'm going to pack it on the lid of my eye in the middle.
What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
To really intensify the look a bit more, I'm using the other side of this flat brush and adding the white, the bone white color that we used for the brow highlight. This really intensified the look and made my eyes pop. This is not a cut crease look at all. I'm just trying to concentrate this product on the lid of my eye, and it must softly blend into the rest of the eye look. Using this pencil brush from Essence and going into the darker shade of purple, I'm going to intensify this look even more.
Life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to.
After deepening the color, I go in with the blending brush and soften all the edges. I repeat this whole process again by packing on more color with this angled brush and then blending it out. Lastly, I go back in with this flat brush and just adding a little bit of the lightest color, the bone color, on the inner corners of my eye to really make the look stand out more. Just ensure that you blend it out nicely. Lastly, I'm going in with my Princess Lash Mascara from Essence. I do have lash extensions, a very natural look, but I want to just enhance the look a little bit more with some more mascara. And just to clean up my eye underneath, I'll use this earbud from Dove. It's a flat one for makeup and I'm using it together with my Garnier Micellar water. For the bottom lashes, I'm going in with Lash Telescopic from L'Oreal. What's nice about this wand is it's very small. It's a plastic applicator and it really gets in between the small, shorter lashes. Next, I'm going in with a nude color eye pencil just to make my eyes look more awake and open. This trick also makes your eyes look bigger. This can be a finished look. I really like this look, but then I thought for the sake of the video, let's go in with the super fine eyeliner from Essence again. Oh, and by the way, the nude eyeliner was also from Essence. I just accidentally deleted the clip. And normally I would also go in with the liner before I apply my mascara. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see a look on the other palettes in this range as well. I'm just doing a very thin line and no wing at all, just a normal plain thin line. I really like this liner. I used to have it before and then I tried out a few different ones also from the Essence range just to compare, but I must say I really love this one the most from all the liners that I used before. Well guys, this is my final look. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more to come.